Welcome everybody to the 12 Days of Codemas. This is day number 1, and I'm really excited to get this series kicked off. It's the holiday season, and it's my favorite time of the year. It's usually filled with great times with family and friends. So I thought, why not extend that holiday cheer into this YouTube channel and spread it all with you. In this series, I'm going to be posting one video per day, every single day for 12 days. And I'm going to be sharing what I'm building, some AI coding tools, and maybe just give some random vlog updates. I'm planning to post a video every day, even if that means just a 1-minute update. We're just going to keep it real in this series. In this video, I'm going to just detail what I have planned. First of all, I have these lights behind me. I hope they're not flickering. I had to adjust my camera's FPS so it wouldn't have that flickering effect, but it looks good now. It's blurred out. So quick about me. I am a software engineer and I'm unemployed. Not afraid to say it. It's been rough out there. I've been looking for a while, and even with 10 years of experience, I've had trouble landing a job. If you've been around LinkedIn or been in the tech industry, it is rough out there. It has been rough out there, the job market. If you've gotten a job in this market and you're a software engineer, kudos to you, because you are one of the few. And the majority of us are struggling out here. And I can definitely get more into that journey in another video. I've taken a pause on the applications just to kind of dedicate my time to enhancing my skills, improving my skills, and honestly trying to work on starting freelancing, putting myself out there to freelance as a software developer. Nothing concrete, nothing closed, but there are some promising leads that I can turn this into something that can be good for my career and hopefully bring in some income for my family. So that is a journey that I'm on. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. You have to grind out. As far as my background goes, I've been doing Java development for about 10 years now. So I'm very familiar with Spring Boot, microservices, SQL on the back end. But around 2018, I got into front-end development with AngularJS. Does anybody use AngularJS out there anymore? But AngularJS with TypeScript. So that was my foray into the world of modern front-end development with TypeScript. And luckily, with learning React this year, we used TypeScript with that. So it actually wasn't a big transition from AngularJS to React for me. Although I'm still learning React, it wasn't as bad as the transition to learning React wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. So that's just a little bit about me. This year I am getting more into web apps because AI coding and the rise of these tools that help us deploy so quickly with the push of a button, it's really exciting. I built an app in like 2 days. This is when I was just getting into like React and AI coding. I built it in 2 days, which for sure it would have taken me like 2 weeks just to do that without AI coding. I built it with Cursor. And after seeing what I can do with that, I was just blown away with the possibilities of these tools. So I just find it so fascinating how these tools are just allowing me and allowing us as developers and non-developers to 5x, 10x your output creating these applications. And so I think it's just a golden age of development. And I want to help share that with all of you out there. Moving on to some of my hobbies. So I love running. If you've seen some of my videos, I did that run PR tracker. I love triathlon. Triathlon is a swim, bike, and run. Done up to a half iron in triathlon, and hopefully one day can do a full Ironman. It just takes so much time to train. I'm in my dad era. I started my dad era last year, so time is very limited for side projects and hobbies, although I do make time for them. My days are much more different now than when I was single and married, but it's amazing. Being a dad, it's the greatest thing. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about, family. So enough about me. Let's get on to why I'm doing this. Did you notice that I have different colors here? We got blue, we got green, we've got red. So why am I doing the 12 days of Codemas? As I mentioned, it's been rough with the employment side of things. So doing this to create opportunities by building and shipping apps very, very quickly. One, hopefully I can get noticed by some clients in the future that want to, hire my development services, consulting services. And two, I've had a ton of ideas for apps since I was in college, back in the golden age of iPhone apps and Android apps. I always had ideas on things that I could build. And, just being in software development, my head is always churning on things that I can build, but I've never had the time to build them. And now with AI coding, I can bring all of my dreams, all of my apps dreams to fruition. Hopefully, one of them can turn into something big, like maybe a micro SaaS product or a product that can really make a difference in other people's lives. And lastly, I want to help others because I enjoy sharing what I'm passionate about with other people. And obviously, I'm passionate about this AI coding revolution, and I want to help others be able to launch their dreams and their applications into fruition. And I think the more that you help people, the more you get back as well. It's always a good feeling to help others. So I also want to jumpstart this channel's growth. Consistency, it really helps the YouTube algorithm. There's a lot that goes into it, but consistency is one of the main ingredients to growing a YouTube channel. And I want to get better at recording and speaking on camera. If you're not a vlogger or a YouTuber or a content creator, speaking to a lens is hard. It's not a natural thing to do, believe it or not. Every time that I edit my videos, I'm like editing out my ums and uhs and my stutters, and I have to redo lines like 5 times sometimes. I want to get to the point where I can just record straight through and not have to really edit anything out. And see, I just said and that's another thing. I want to work on eliminating my filler words like like, so, all right, like those filler words. I want to just get rid of them so I could be more fluid speaking. And I know that one trick to doing that is just fill those filler words or eliminate those filler words and fill it with silence. So just not saying so I'm gonna do this today, and like just be like, I'm gonna do this today, and I don't know what I can't even give an example, but you get it, right? I just want to get better at public speaking and speaking on camera, and in doing that, it'll help me edit these videos faster. On to the next section, video constraints. Okay, so as I mentioned, I'm in my dad era. These videos, all the videos that I've done so far have been around 5 to 6 a.m. recording time. So if I look tired with eye bags under my eyes, that is because I literally just woke up, as I did today. Right now it's about 7 a.m. So I actually have to hop off really soon. But I'm planning to record all of these videos around 5 to 6 a.m. my time, Eastern time. And they're going to be quick videos, probably no more than 5 minutes. Minimal to no editing, as I mentioned, because I don't have the time to edit these. And ideally, these will be posted before 7 a.m. Yeah, that's going to be tough, posting before 7. But this is like the only way that I can get these videos out in a consistent manner, is if wake up early, record them very, very quickly, and just do minimal to no editing so I can just upload to YouTube. These videos, I'm going to continue to be doing the tutorial videos and any other videos that you guys want me to. If I get busy, then maybe one of the tutorial videos will take the place of a Codemas video. We'll see. We're flexible here, right? We'll iterate. We're software developers. We're product people. It's all about iteration, right? And getting better each time. As for topics, I'm going to be sharing what I'm currently building a few web apps just to kind of see what I can do with these AI tools. Some of them I'm going to pitch to some companies to see if they're interested in working with me. Also want to get into some AI coding tool news, because these technologies and these companies are shipping every single day. It's really amazing. We'll talk about what the latest hype is all about. I'm on Twitter, so Twitter's a pretty cool place to see the latest updates, and I'll share it with you. And if I miss something, share it with me too in the comments. Random vlog updates. So that's just going to be if I get busy, have nothing to talk about, I'll just share an update on whatever. Do you have any suggestions? Do you have any suggestions on what I should put out? If you want more tutorials on AI coding tools, tips on anything else, or just the job search, let me know. I'm here to serve you. So if you have any ideas on what I should make a video about, let me know and we'll make it happen. Over to you. Just wanted to first say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Right now I'm at, I think 35. Let me see. Yes, 35 subscribers. I wanted to make this video at 25, but I gained a few more than I expected in the past day. So all 35 of you, welcome. I hope you all are doing well. Again, let me know what kind of videos you want to see. I'm always open for feedback to make my videos better, and I want to make this channel a really cool place to be. Hopefully we can build some kind of community with each other, trying to build, live a life fulfilled. That's what it's all about, right? So who are you? Are you a developer? Are you a non-developer? Are you a product person? Are you in a totally different field than technology and trying to side hustle to build something better for your life and your family? Maybe over these 12 days of Codemas, we'll get to learn from each other, because I believe you can always learn something from other people wherever they're at in life. It's all about perspective, right? So I think that is all I have for today. How long is this video? I have no idea how long this video is. By the way, what screen sharing recording software do you all use? I'm using Loom. Loom is pretty cool, but there's a few things about it that I think could be a little better. Let me know. I'm open to alternatives. Thank you all for joining in on day 1 of the 12 days of Codemas. Happy holidays to wherever you are, and I'll see you tomorrow, bright and early. Peace.